For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hello friends, my name is Hitendra Soneji. I am a corporate trainer. Today we are going to discuss about leadership. What is a leader? A leader is someone who leads others, as simple as that. Right? Now, what makes someone a leader? That is important. Right? Secondly, what can you do to be a good leader? And there are two things. What makes someone a leader and what can you do to be a good leader? To become a good leader, you have to have a great vision and a commitment towards your vision. Vision means to see, visualize the outcomes of your task. Right? So that powerful vision is required. What kind of obstacles we are going to face while performing some task. So solution should be ready. If we are doing this thing, so during doing this thing, we are going to face this problems. So this solutions should be ready with the leader, because leader is prepared with the solutions, not with the problems. He knows what are the problems, but he has the solutions also to that problems. That is vision. He sees all. And the leader is a committed man. He commits. Whatever he commits, he sees that commitment is fulfilled. How? By persistence. By remaining in the game. Looking at the problem, he doesn't run away. He boldly faces that problems and overcome all the obstacles. And he sees that he reaches the common goal which has been desired by him, or a common goal which can be an organizational goal or can be a personal goals. So to become a good leader, you should have some traits. Number one, a leader should have integrity. Integrity means honesty. Honesty with self, honesty with people, honesty with work, honesty with organization, honesty with relationships. So once you have developed that integrity, so that is, you are developing one quality of a leadership. Second, he is a people's people. He is never alone. He never leaves his people alone. He works along with his people. Whenever his people, his team requires the leader is freely available for his team. Any problem arises in the team, leader is always there for them. And he never leaves their people. He is with their own people only. There are two kinds of leaders. One, a bad leader, and second is a good leader. Whom do we call a good leader and whom do we call a bad leader? A good leader creates leaders and the bad leader creates followers. Why? Because they feel insecure. Because the bad leaders, they don't allow anybody to grow. The bad leaders always think about themselves. They always think about the profit of themselves. That I should only grow, my men should not grow, my people should not grow. And the good leader, what he thinks? He thinks that I should grow, and along with my growth, my people should also grow. He never grows alone. The good leader never grows alone. He grows with his people. He is always there with his people. He is always helping them out. Any problem, the leader is there for them. So be a good leader, have good integrity, and be with your people. Don't isolate yourself from the people. Remain in the game, remain with the team, so that your team is encouraged. That leaders, one more quality, the leader motivates others. encourages others to do the things. Yes, I know you can do it. Yes, I know you can do it. I trust you. Yes, you can do it. So the person, these people are encouraged to do the things. The good leader always encourages, always motivates. That is why he wins the trust of his team. Trust is a very big thing. You have to earn the trust. So the trust has been earned by the leader. Then next thing comes the respect. A leader respects his team and in return he gets respect. But the bad leaders, what they do? They demand respect. Okay, yes, I want respect. They demand respect. But the good leader always gives first and then takes. He trusts his people trust him. He respects his people and his people respects him. So it is a give and take game about the good leader. And the bad leaders, they only think about themselves. They want you to trust him. They want you to respect him. But they will not trust you. They will not respect you. So don't be a bad leader, be a good leader. Develop a good qualities of a leader. Have integrity, remain with your people, trust your people, respect your people, and always try to motivate them. Motivate and encourage your people to do the things in the right way, because the leader has the vision to see through and through and through, and the leader is a fully committed person. So be a good leader. Okay. Thank you.
For detailed learning on all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.